Eyasemo papa. Hey, just omo mujia train station ho no e kwa mbefa so akofi eyasem. We me peka we bi dia ye say taxi say Uber say Yango say ye limousine de be conference you ma nka erade nyame. Say ye ti ha no aye sorry e say nefi e kre efi ye adwuma papa Abrokyire so ba bi efi Abrokyire so ba bi efi hey pachamonya ayi si amame ana say me aminua ofori one munya no oh that me so mo to say because some Hamburg ofori one ne sipoku MC hey bradinya me Mumia Mompire my union more Hamburg sa area no na enso no a toy no debi omo abrusa so no de omo ho atom no e form for the flood omo na first floor ni second floor for the edi ye Mompire o na Ghana sense you so to ha de enim de be ye but ye de ba mo ka Abrokyire for na mo de mo nka me hu afre mo aka mo nka hwe nkire me letter boss ni na isu akofa no yenya sipoko ho wo de munya sipoko a mo frɛ eyi mame eye honorable mame Mr. Adusei mo frɛ Mr. Adusei mame no so Ghana fo asese yate be say yatende efiri no achi ensu etoye no Ghana ni bia okuta German passport ebit masa kuta ne Ghana passport nemom ewo kwan e so ofa so titru omo ye renunciation no omo de omo passport ekoma eye Ghana government and now somebody call mission back say omo renounce omo citizenship nationality no or say omo ye German for no eji German passport no now akwanya ba say omo betima sa ba abeji omo Ghana passport aka German de no ho efe ede nemum kwan be so na ye nuanom ebetima fa so eno ene ye mpanyin ba ko Mr. Adusei ebedi hu komo na wa kire omo a omukuta German passport omo pese omo beji Ghana passport ne back no ahihye ben ene gu akwam aye so omo ye nye so straight na akwa akọje okoye passport ese unya certificate do back and sana o the account form so ho akwaje wey eti ye hwese benya Mr. Adusei na ye nnadi nkomo na isu edie hey mra Facebook asempa extra and I say mo be call YouTube me read the comment aba ne bi Thomas Doche o say wow not Africa alone oh in Africa kwa flooding is everywhere more fire more fire flooding everywhere and I want to see ono ye shelter okay senya dovi and the buy Prince Coffee or say hey, it happens in Germany so when it's happening in Ghana we should keep quiet. Hey baby enjoy yes sorry ade ye I say ye kwa na ye de nye baby enjoy and a Prince Arnold also do me 2 was here 2-3 times was here 2-3 times Masa Emmanuel ya kwa homa no so ne ni Mr. Adusei ya mo akwa ba
yo bizumoto
papa that say
ya madumo ni bajo mo so
ya me adom ya so ya ho ya pa na mom nrachi so to Hamburg na ma me ma hye me pa me bra so ti sa road no so eti
enokre ise me Facebook a me short videos na mo ni nya me hwe ni nya
ai na mo
Hamburg for no wo mo nya lucky ise Hamburg no wo mo nsuo etwamohia na mana be bia mo ni de ye dis problem no ise Hamburg for
so wo de okodu outiri kwa say river rhyme no say rhyme river no near you know bia me kai
no
2 years ago.
Just in so far, it was a problem in there, but I'm saying videos are we in the MC, Maham Honey, problems in the Hamburg. Yeah,
they say 2 years ago, train station or Hamburg, Bahof, almost a pushing, you know, as I extend the train, lines, I'm moving you. Move push, you know, moving you. A bit of Ghana, I feel for yes, Diana, FIA, no, and it's a buy. Underground 2 no you 2 no with maka ya catch unia Desmond and not me ta for ne honti no me ma no me ba ho mesra ne bio me mesra ne bio Desmond papa yemra and then also come me no wo ya ti asema de say Ghana for am Germany he say mo am renounce mo citizenship and I say naturalization mo call back to Germany mo se mo mpe Ghana de bio no afa akwanya German for aban and a German aban se muti meje Ghana passport no and I say krobia anya mo nko krobia Germany betima ji krobia passport akane de ho eti ekwan be so e na Ghana ni a ono tua sika se onya Ghana ni bio na oye Germany no opeso obeje ne Ghana passport ekwan be so ne so offer.
Yo, me that's it. With the medical na me de in Shakesi ama what you phone ya say you so matun sa frame na me ba be cheche ba question mu. I'm say the medical no say na yen nim no June 27th no and as I do na santi law no e be mra a say German for one president no or sign law no somewhere March no na sana sheti no or say law no say one the court gazette so after 3 months no and ebeye emra into 3 months no so 26th of June na adia chief in summit no and ebeye adwuma yo and I'm telling na we see ebisa me no yendu do no na ya renounce your Ghana citizenship no and I'm say abra na ya apply for German passport no o my assumption say Germans no allow dual nationality. In the answer, the German nationality no this only Ghana passport no ko. Into no ne idea that how we dey na so pek German passport nkwan dia no say odiko. Na na say ya akonya beta ho say utumi eji dual nationality no. He say no she say Ghana embassy for mama yaswati nam ye penny the minister consul minister Michael Saki obey my PowerPoint presentation our Bremen Ghana Union for your meeting wo and last week so almost about Frankfurt so also the and last Sunday so your Zoom meeting and also minister Ebaso Abrokyire mu na you may PowerPoint presentation or the my and I'm able so at the actual for the edikano wa ukita German passport. Now, upese usign abeji Ghana passport, no. Now, pako yese who apply for reinstatement as a Ghanaian. Now, reinstatement, no. Yese uwa ko form B or Ghana embassy, no. A form no, a form number 10. And uba koto. Ukotoa. Not yese, and you may be a kamwa or say, udi application, no. The account is a photocopy of a current passport. Say a German passport, no, with the photocopy. One old Ghana passport copies, no, ubet me edit a copy na kahon. Now, me say, do gonna any passport, if you say, renunciation that time, and Ghana embassy for no edge Ghana passport, no. Until this a woman year copies, no to one obenya, copies in the application. No, Minister may as well say even crowded German passport copy bar one baby. After so no one day he say Uber application letter. Akoma the Minister of Interior or Ghana old church in the reasons why Uber say yes I reinstate you as a Ghanaian. Nasa letter no or say o contact number any email address a casa letter no home. After so no ebe here say with 4 pictures photographs picture no ubecha no white background I said ya kwakọ your passport no and so wo de beka application no ho and after so no you say okwakọ top forms no so no your more receipt into the photocopy of that receipt now okwakọ sa form 10 na make am asem no wo de beka ho after so no wo person to be a copy of birth certificate. They said do na bebre assistant wo mudin any sa anyoma no ebi ma ware assistant mudin to me nya no say utumi di the one ware no assistant nya or say a copy of marriage certificate no so this no assistant na or say the copy of affidavit no and say gazette now this is sound udin no nya all the application no na say ba say obi so yes application no or akwala na say or below 18 years dia no say any parents no and I will say one apply or more bano edimu. Na sa forms no upili BBA any supporting documents na. Also unya a notary public and I say a high court judge and I say the head of Ghana mission abroad no or say one more endorsement. Na and I'm say yeah chi amanoni no I'm say do na dema Ghana embassy for no and I endorse one from na amount. Now one mama ya swati say empo say uko holidays or Ghana na pese o yen Ghana and say which ma go talk form no so our ministry of interior or Ghana now we be now up notary public be and I say I could just be no endorse amount into me I your hand there minim say your forms ni bibia ba ko ma Ghana embassy for na wo mo afford e dey akọ Ghana na wo me call Ghana na minister of interior no ehwehwe me hu sampa we ye obi a uni bad background bia ate say wo me ye background checks no hwe say we obi a ye san ji o say Ghana ni na say bia yi a na wa endorse form no into a bar na sa certificate na so be can from minister of interior no eno and after the obetumi akọ online say akọ apply for Ghana passport I just say so unfa process ni so a untumi enko say akọ Ghana passport biom enti akontadu bisamia am say kakra wo ho a metimi dia ma wotie fo no
jo papa ya dase papa minim say Ghana ni bia otie sa time yi no obetima chocho say the wo kan obetima chocho no da mani nua bia o wa Abrokyire Germany say bia watini wo so a Facebook oko asempa extra asempa no extra ne S enye SO X for
XTRA.
That's it. Asempa extra no na wa forward am onu bi o Germany say ontie said the chichiri mu FI said the be ya obey Reinstated ne ho abeye Ghana ni bio do odu Ghana ha o ye Ghanaian de nemum enkatase mu no so bi obeya ne Ghana passport ne back na oba on give visa bio bio and run say obekuta ne first utimi kuta the same pa ne mo say ye nuan mo Holland any Austria aban na ho no so be giatum na omusa be ka ho na ye nuanom so anya asomdwe bisa Adusei ye be da se bibi wo betima sa ka ho bi wa
bibi to so am say say no next year no ye beto aba e Germany biom e be August 2025 na sa emrai ba bontin no and the opposition party Germany CSU ni CDU party no wo mo say wo mo ba sa mra no wo mbetwam I just say sa do na sa ginya SPD aban ni e dia ma ye hoho no wo mbetwam enti no kaka mi 2 year nian mo fun say obi a ohia sa de no within 1 year ya onye ni intentem it is so wo mo tra ho na next year August 2025 ye to aba 100% say CDU for no wo na wo mbawi ni into wam so wamba betwem ti no akontadwo misra etiefo no wam a wam pese wam gi sa passport no wam 12 months a so won yen tentem se na bibia ebe ya ma wo
na so wo gire ntem na so mba no mutwam a mo de enkamo che o mo ba
because yes was so wo gi na so wo mutwam na se wo mutwam se obi a oba ba gi German passport no wo ba gi a wo me force so se fa o Ghana de no ko
na so de okodu wako ban na chi wo de on ka ho bio wabubu aso mu ye dase ne de odi ato aso say on beto abanti no hwe ne ye bia na we no man we ne so mo we ne dia fine o man we ne na ma ko na ba obetwam
Yeah.
So baby,
I say shop polls every week now.
Yeah.
Opposition for 1 man and do win elections next year. And you're clear. Very clear. Yeah.
AFD for the win it.
CDU, UCS for no.
Omaka Bomuno.
Was it said 1 million because we share European elections near here. No, that's 2 parties in and now engineer idea. That was said to say in Germany here to about that parties will win the elections. Yeah.
Yo, and a multi as a bet, Monyan intentem. Now, and you form no, Omaka price no, and Omanka price.
One cancer, you could share Ghanaian for no Bremen, you could share Frankfurt. Last week's question Zoom meeting, no, now minister say or train price from Accra and my, but we did say anytime next week in the price number say you call one website as well, you do price on our website.
Yo, and now minister, interior minister, yes, say parliament na so mo price na ma Monday kwajima ye na yenye ntem na na yenye ntem because enche ya to aba no e Germany ho ya to na kofo ba ye ho be kire ye na ye nuanom ntimi na ntem mo mrefi ye ma no kura dodo no e peso mo no ma me no ba visa fee keke nti ye ntan fa nkura na ma. And it's about time you have to get them young. Ne do mo be fie.
Yes.
Okay. But that's it. We said Adusei.
Yo, Mr. Dasi Bebre.
You can say yo.
Yo, okay, that's it.
And that's it. I hire Sempa 94.7. Moso fuko kwa mankwa. Akuntejo. Enye easy. Obi man so say ye ka ho nsem bebre kire mu a. Sese a akwanya aba ama ye nuano mu timi ko jeep o mo passport no. Moko mamunye ntwentwe mo na ase. Mamunye mo na ase. Munye ne ntem na mo fanko because say oji sa interior ministry almost certificate in the back and san what pa kwaje Ghana passport o enya kwaje form so ya na onya passport no eho me refi se kebebu sa papa no achire mu ye but echiremo o mu say obet di kan akwa reinstate yourself to get your certificate back as a Ghanaian na wo di akwa fill your passport form as normal way na wo ji passport dada no e dia aka o German passport no eti bomi ye hye ne so okay, can you say, what the passport photocopy, Ebeka form no fully filled. Now what the birth certificate account home. Now what the passport pictures account home, right? Next say what the receipt I'll go to scan so the J form no or your photocopies need na account home. Now what draw the entire as I say you reinstate you and as you say Joe as about the self ukwaya waba ya Joe. A dean to the angel, Papa, me and my sword day, na me koye maba, obane me opum ye, no one simple, no what now the Nina Kahon, ya do be.